Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all languages from which we can choose, which are currently applied or installed in this device. So basically, all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French. Sometimes, of course, depending on the language you're using, you will be able to pick the region. So the same situation, just tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to actually set the new language, we will have to tap on it and hold it. And as you can see right now, we can drag it. So let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So we've got the French. And of course, you can do it again with many languages. It depends how many languages you've got added here. Let me change it to English again. And as you can see, the English is set. If you'd like to remove the language, nothing easier. 3 dots icon here and tap on remove. Mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon, tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system language in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.